सदैव खुश रहो। दिस इज जेवीएन डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। प्रोग्राम बीएससी बीएड पीसीएम 5th सेम, कोर्स मल्टीवेरिएट कैलकुलस एंड वेक्टर डिफरेंशिएशन, एंड सेशन ऑफ टुडे इज इम्प्रॉपर इंटीग्रल. So before knowing the improper integral, it is very essential to know the bounded function and unbounded function. So definition of bounded function is in front of you. Suppose fx be a function of x. The function fx is called bounded over the interval I if there exist two real number a and b such that where b greater than a. Say that function fx is strictly greater than is equal to a and less than is equal to b. So fx is a greater than fx is less than is equal to a, and fx is greater than is equal to a and less than is equal to b. In between a and b fx is lies, then such type of function is called bounded function. Unbounded function, a function fx is said to be unbounded at point x is equal to a if fx become infinite at x is equal to a. फंक्शन कोई भी अनबाउंडेड तब होगा जब किसी पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे उसकी वैल्यू इनफाइनाइट हो. ऐसी स्थिति में हम फंक्शन को अनबाउंडेड फंक्शन कहते हैं. लेट अस सपोज ए फंक्शन एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स अपॉन एक्स प्लस 1 एंड एक्स माइनस 3. व्हेन x taking the value x is equal to -1, if we put x is equal to -1 in this rational expression, the denominator will be 0, then function is infinite. So such type of function is, this function is unbounded at the point x is equal to -1. This function is unbounded at another point x is equal to 3. If we put x is equal to 3 in place of x, it gives again infinite value. So this function is unbounded at the point x is equal to -1 and x is equal to 3. This is the definition of bounded and unbounded function. Now terminology, according to terminology, next term is proper integral. A definite integral a to b fx dx is called proper integral. Number 1, the range of integration ab is finite. Number 2, the integrand fx is bounded. The definite integral ab fx dx is called proper integral. The two condition is here. First is the range of integration is finite, or other is integrand fx is bounded. Then integration is called the proper integral. For example, the integral 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx is proper integral. It is because the range of integration is finite. 0 to pi by 2, it is finite. Cos x is the bounded. It is because cos x lies between -1 to 1. So it is bounded and limit is finite. Then this integration is proper integral. Another integral 0 to 1 sin x upon x, again proper integral. It is because sin x upon x, its limit is 1, so it is bounded. And in 0 to 1 integral is the finite, so it is again proper integral. Improper integral definition, a definite integral 0 to a fx dx is called improper integral. First, either its range of integration is infinite, either a is equal to minus infinite or b is equal to finite, or both, and fx is bounded. Number 2, the range of integration is finite and fx is not bounded over the interval ab. The range of integration is infinite, and fx is not bounded over the integral. There is three conditions for having improper integral. Either its limit is uh, infinite or function is bounded. Either limit is finite and function is unbounded, or both limit is infinite and function is integration infinite and function is not bounded. There is three condition for improper integral. Now next is kind of integration, a kind of improper integral. So there is there is three kind of improper integral of first kind of infinite integral, improper integral of second kind, and improper integral of third kind. There is categorized into the three part of improper integral. So first kind improper integral is this: the integral ab fx dx is said to be improper integral of the first kind, or an infinite integral if the range of integration is infinite and the integrand fx is bounded. So first kind infinite integral, the it is prerequisite or it is necessary to have having first kind of improper integral. Condition is the range of integration is infinite and the integrand fx is bounded. Such type of improper integral is called first kind of improper integral. I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you very much.